is an unboxing of the Samsung M51 smartphone. But before we actually unbox this, let's quickly look at the box. You have a little bit of branding here, then there's some details. I'm going to bring it close to the camera. Some details about the color of the phone, which is celestial black. Some details about memory, when was it shipped, the other things that you get inside a box. So all of those details given here, and let's now quickly unbox this. So you get a cover for your phone, and of course this box has a SIM ejector pin and some booklets. Basically this is a regional guide, this is a warranty card. The warranty card lists conditions and general terms and conditions actually about warranty. And then this is a quick start guide. Quick start guide basically gives details about how to set up your device, the packaging contents, how to install a nano SIM card, and of course about the features given on the phone. You have the phone here. So this is a reflective glass panel. I really like it. Just how it feels in my hand is great. Of course, you have the logo of the brand given here. On top left of the smartphone, you have a 4 camera mounted panel, and the rest of the phone feels extremely smooth. Of course, it's going to leave some fingerprints, but for that you'll have to buy a separate cover. But overall, it's not really black as such, but it's charcoal black, has hints of grey as well. Here you have the power button, the volume up and down button, and of course you have the speaker here. This is where you put in your charging pin, and of course this is an audio jack. Other than this, you obviously get a charging cable, a charger, and that's all. So that's it in this unboxing video. I hope you liked it, and of course stay tuned.
Samsung Galaxy M51. This smartphone is available in celestial black and electric blue color variants. You can choose from 2 memory variants of 6GB of RAM with 128GB of internal memory and 8GB of RAM with 128GB of internal memory. The internal memory is expandable up to 512GB. The smartphone supports dual nano SIM with 4G network on dual standby and dual VoLTE. The 6.7-inch Super AMOLED Infinity O display with FHD plus capacitive touchscreen, 1080 by 2400 pixels resolution and 394 ppi gives you an immersive viewing experience. This Samsung smartphone also features fast face unlock, GPS, music player, video player, accelerometer, fingerprint sensor, gyro sensor, geomagnetic sensor, RGB light sensor, proximity sensor and email. This Samsung smartphone has a 64-megapixel main camera along with a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, a 5-megapixel depth camera and a 5-megapixel macro camera in the back. It also features a 32-megapixel front camera. The smartphone is powered by Android version 10.0 operating system with 1.8 GHz and 2.2 GHz Qualcomm with SD730G octa-core processor, ensuring a smooth performance. This smartphone runs on a 7000 mAh lithium-ion battery. The box includes handset with non-removable battery, travel adapter, USB Type-C to C, ejection pin, and user manual. This product comes with standard brand warranty. For EMI options, refer to product detail page. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For further information, visit the product detail page.
Are we gonna play now? Ready for the show? I'm about to take down, you already know. Get the